And secondly, I just did this nail art yesterday. Like, I was not feeling good, and I always promote, like, when you are not feeling good, you spend 2 minutes for yourself and you instantly feel better. So I just did this nail art in like 2 minutes, and I also created this nail paint. So for all these things, you can just follow me on Instagram. My ID is Beautard_Reet. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and I'm sure you're gonna find it really helpful. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reet, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. The ID is Beautard_Reet. So आज की जो वीडियो है, it's going to be really special one. I know मैं हर वीडियो से पहले ये कहती हूँ because हर वीडियो मेरे लिए इतनी स्पेशल होती है, but this one is especially क्योंकि I'm gonna share a very great hair remedy with you guys. But before that, before I start the video, Nonit is right lying here and he's playing in his gym. तो पीछे से cute सी voice आती रहेगी. So we're gonna just enjoy those baby voices. And yes, so my hair actually are very frizzy during this monsoon season, and plus with the baby I just can't take care of that. So अभी ये बहुत better है. Like, this is after applying that remedy. आप देखोगे कि कैसे मेरे बाल पहले थे, you know, that frizzy यहाँ तक इतने ज़्यादा, and then after using it is like that. So मैं आपको बताती हूँ इसके पीछे की story. When I was in school, I think 6th 7th grade में, so my mother used to apply this remedy using मेथी दाना, जिसको बोलते हैं fenugreek seeds. My mom used to apply it on my hair like till I think 10th or 11th तक. I was using it, and then you know जैसे हवा लग जाती है, I colored my hair, I straightened them like back in the days, and this and that. So मैंने बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया था. And if you see my hair, they're not straight, but if you see my mother's hair, like my mother has really like Kangana knot type hair, like this fluffy, good, excellent hair. I also had those type of hair, but my mother was like using this magic hair care remedy, and so my hair are like this. They are very bouncy, little straight, and they are very manageable, and I'm so thankful to her. So let's get started. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ आपको इसके लिए क्या चाहिए. आपको इसके लिए चाहिए मेथी दाना. Now there are two ways that you can actually create this. One is आप मेथी दाना जो होते हैं fenugreek seeds, 3-4 चम्मच आप उसको भिगो लो रात को. सुबह उठ के आप उसको मिक्सी में ग्राइंड कर लो, just you know pulse it 2-3 times, और उसके बाद पानी में भिगो दो. उसके बाद आप उसमें जो भी वो बैटर आपका बनता है उसमें आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. एग डाल सकते हो, कर्ड डाल सकते हो, honey, lemon, whatever you guys wish to add, you can add that. Now my mother used to do it that way, but being a lazy ass and I don't have that much time honestly, so मैंने क्या किया, I got this organic, not organic, you can get anything, but I got this fenugreek powder. You can simply get it from anywhere. तो मैंने एक्चुअली आपको सिर्फ 2 चम्मच डालने हैं. मेरे बालों के लिए मैंने सिर्फ 2 चम्मच डाले, और वो I've got like the amount I've got is for 2 times, so I'm going to use it for later one. तो आप 2 चम्मच डालो, उसके बाद you just put it in water and just dissolve it using a fork. Okay, and then what you're going to do is, मैंने इसमें extra nourishment के लिए, extra moisture के लिए, I also added 5-6 spoons of dahi. You can add that too, and yes, उसको अच्छे से फिर मैंने मिक्स किया, और I just kept it aside for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I just saw that वो एकदम केक टाइप इतना ज़्यादा हो गया था, because मैंने मेजर करके नहीं लिया था मेथी पाउडर. So you can measure it, and now I'm telling you. तो मैंने उसमें से हाफ लिया. I added more water and I pulse it in the mixer grinder like food processor, और उसके बाद इतना सुंदर foamy वो बना बैटर, and I applied it onto my hair. You will see the footage of me applying that. So I just applied it onto my hair and I left it around for 45 minutes. early and in between. 1.5 घंटे रखने के बाद हम इसको जो है वॉश कर लेंगे अच्छे से. So make sure that you are washing your hair with the warm, like lukewarm water. Otherwise ये इतना slimy और इतना conditioning like इसका texture होता है कि आप ठंडे पानी से बिल्कुल अपने बालों से नहीं निकाल सकते हो. So you have to use lukewarm water. Second thing is that you have to जो छोटे छोटे particles रहते हैं फेनुग्रीक पाउडर से कम रहते हैं. अगर आप उसको भिगो के कर रहे हो, ग्राइंड कर रहे हो तो ज्यादा रहते हैं. So just don't worry, आप थोड़े से वो पार्टिकल रह जाएंगे बालों में. So what you have to do is you have to take a comb and then you run through your hair and they are gone, like simply gone. If you have dandruff, you can add besan into this mixture also, or you can add banana for extra nourishment. So you can add whatever you guys want to add. And trust me, मुझे पता है आप सब वापस आओगे और मुझे कमेंट करोगे this is magical, like this is out of this world. You will thank me later. But I'm also being very practical that what you have to do is you have to keep using it. Like एक बार में कोई आविष्कार चमत्कार नहीं होने वाला है. आविष्कार जो भी होता है हिंदी में, it is not going to happen in just one time. So you have to keep using it. And I have promised myself that I am going to use it for like twice a month at least. Hair remedy. You need it in life, guys. Do check it out and keep watching. And yes, please comment down below and share it with your friends so that I should know that you guys are appreciating my content, and I will try and I'll work hard on creating more of such videos. Much better, fluffy, healthy and very smooth. Keep it regular, like मैंने तो बहुत सालों बाद लगाया है. So keep it regular, just like not like me. But if you guys have seen the video from the starting, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. Like I'm gonna paste it here, so you guys can see how my hair were initially and how they are now. They are incredibly smooth right now. So yes, that was it for today in this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को बड़ा सा लाइक दे दें और मुझे कम से कम 100 लाइक दे दें. बड़ा सा लाइक दे दें. कमेंट जरूर कर दो कि ऐसी कौन सी वीडियो है जो आप चाहते हो कि मैं बनाऊं, या आप कुछ भी कहना चाहते हैं. जस्ट राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को हिट कर ले ताकि मैं जब भी वीडियो पोस्ट करती हूँ आपको पता चल जाए. और मुझे मेरे सोशल मीडिया में जरूर फॉलो करें. मैं टीचर की तरह बोल रही हूँ. मुझे मेरे सोशल मीडिया में जरूर फॉलो करें. इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक यहाँ है. इट्स Beautard_Reet. And you guys can also follow me on Facebook. It's Beautard. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye. So basically मेरे बाल actually